Hello lovely people of the internet, I'm the Breathing Canvas and I'm back! For now at least, who knows what will happen. Anyway, that's why you should subscribe! Today I'm showing you my emerald inspired design for April, even though this is in June. Never mind, let's get started.
Oh yeah! It's been 3 long months and I am back better than ever. Let's go! First up, we have got to take care of these eyebrows. I'm filling in the eyebrows to make them look fierce, and I'm going to face the camera so that you can see this better. That would be helpful if you're going to treat this as a tutorial and not watching some crazy white girl slap cosmetic products on her face. You can check out some of my Makeup 101 videos to learn more about my eyebrow tricks and tips by clicking on the eye. Fill in any sparse areas with a pencil to bring the fierce level to maximum. And shimmer, 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 shimmer. I'm using my newfound love Maybelline color tattoo as a base primer for the eye makeup. Putting this down is not only shimmery and therefore necessary, it is going to enhance whatever eye powder is placed on top of it. More on that over there. I'm brushing this out with both the applicator and my fingers to create a wash around my eyes. This keeps the green around the eyes look less like a Green Lantern mask and more like a cloud of emotion physicalized, displaying the personality of Taurus. Now I am placing down an emerald green powder to enhance the pigmentation.
You have come so very far, my friend. I will honor all you've done. I will cherish your memories on my eyelid. And then wipe you off in a few hours.
Eyeliner! I prefer the roll-on crayon thingy hooba wobbits because of its easy application, and I prefer to do the jitterbug whenever I apply it to my waterline, apparently. I'm bringing that all the way around my eye for a serious smoky eye. With a matte black eyeshadow, I'm going over the eyeliner, once again to create a richer pigmentation, to bring the liner out to a cat eye, and to, well, smoke out the eyes. With the same matte black, I'm defining the crease of my eyes and blending it out just a little bit onto my brow bone. What's tricky about creating a smoky eye against the emerald green wash is that they are both dark colors, meaning that it's more challenging to create shadows and highlights. To make the black stand out, I'm using black cream makeup as a base, setting it in with black eyeshadow. Time for some gold shimmer! Wow, maybe I can still use it? Yes! A flat surface is actually good for this, since I'm using the crayon as a stamp to lay on random bits of gold, speckling it around my eyes and using it as a highlight on the center of my lid. It has been far too long since shimmer has graced my face with its presence. Victory dance!
Okay, I'm halfway done. There's shimmer everywhere. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get a taco.
Eyeliner, lip liner, it doesn't matter if it's made for the eyes or mouth as long as it creates a defined lip shape and keeps the other lip products contained.
So not only am I covering my entire face in shimmer, I'm covering my entire face in emerald green. Okay, not entirely. This time, my face is covered in shimmer.
And it doesn't matter if the green liquid shimmer is intended for the eyes or mouth as long as it is shimmer. In a similar fashion to the gold highlight of the eyes, the gold is going in the center of the top and bottom lip to create an emerald vampire lip. In other words, a smoky lip. Yeah, sure, that's what it's called. I'm switching over to a shimmer powder. 1, because it's an excuse for more shimmer, and 2, it seems to show up better than the crayon on my lips, and 3, shimmer! Going back to the black lining, I'm bringing that in just a little bit on the outer edges to get a more dramatic smoky lip, and both setting it in and making it pop with some black eyeshadow.
And this one has glitter. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Trust me, it's there. It's there. Oh, it's there. And now it's on my lips!
And you would think I'm done, right?
Nope!
First I'm going to put on some falsies to help my eyes pop out a bit more against all the dark, dramatic, and shimmery colors. For the finishing touch, I'm putting on a few black rhinestones with my one and only liquid latex. You need just a little bit for it to stick, and you want to put it on right away because latex dries very quickly. For the placement, the rhinestones are going in an upward angle from my eyes and straight down from the corners of my lips. This is to enhance both the determined and fierce characteristics of Taurus, as well as hint at the eye symbol for Gemini.
For the last one, I'm gonna have it right up at the... I'm gonna put my last star right above my lip in the Cupid's bow, just like I did last year for my Taurus design. And I was thinking of using another black stone, but I thought maybe I'd differentiate because I feel like there's a lot of black and green, but not enough gold. So I have this crappy light green rhinestone. It's okay, you don't need to focus on that. But on the other side, it's gold. So I'm gonna put it on backwards. And that concludes my emerald design for everyone born in April. And this isn't belated, this is just an extended celebration. 60 or more days past its time, but thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, I have a bunch for you. You may like my Slytherin-inspired video, a lot of more emerald and shimmery, shiny goodness. Or you can check out my Taurus video from last year right over there. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a cyber thumbs up. And if you like my face, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Thank you so much, and I will see all of you lovies next time. Bye!